Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum student. I hope all of you will be fine. My name is Miss Ben. I am going to discuss with you the summer task of class 6. Your book is divided in two sections. First one is geography and second one is history. Geography means the study of the earth. Here is your first worksheet from your chapter number 1. Our country in the world. Now I am going to tell you that what we are going to study in this chapter. We study about the location of Pakistan, as we know that Pakistan is located in the continent of Asia and located as a link between the Islamic bloc to west and north and the South Asian countries to the east. Next, we read in this chapter about the neighboring countries of Pakistan, also the Southeast Asian countries. In the end of the chapter, we read about the geographical terms. Geographical terms describe the physical features found on Earth like mountain, hills, valley, delta, desert, etc. Now move to the worksheet. Define the following term. First one is bulk. Bulk is a large portion, great size or big volume. Rest of the four you can solve with the help of the reading of chapter 1. Fill in the blank is your second question and you can solve these blank with the help of the chapter number 1. Info is also very important to solve the objective portion. Choose the correct answer. You have to select one answer and also write in the blank space. Your question number 4, differentiate between the following. You can solve this question with the help of the page 6, 7, 8. Move to the second worksheet. It's also from your geography section. Chapter 2, Weather and Climate. Weather means one-day condition and the climate means the average of a weather condition over a whole. Next, we read in this chapter about the causes of different climates like temperature, distance from the equator. What we read in distance from the equator? As we know, the places due to the equator are hot. So, its effect on the climate. And third point is altitude. Altitude means the height of a place above sea level. It's also affect the climate condition. Proximity to the sea. Proximity means the nearness. Usually the place is near to the coast, cooler in summer and milder in winter. Ocean current, any more or less permanent or continuous directed movement of water that flows in one of the Earth's ocean. This is called the ocean current. Next point, rainfall. Rainfall is very important in determining the climate of a place. And then we read about the air pressure. As we know that the air is not having any weight, but in reality it does. When the air pressure is high, weather is usually fine and dry. And when the air pressure is low, it is usually stormy and wet. Now come to the worksheet. Your first question, write down the synonyms of each of the following, like proximity, nearness. Your question number 2, differentiate between the weather and climate. You can solve this question with the help of the reading of chapter 2, page 1. Answer the following question. Does the temperature remain the same throughout the day or does it vary? Name some countries that are cold. You can easily solve this question with the help of the reading of chapter 2. Name some countries with a hot climate like Atacama. How would you classify Pakistan? Is it a hot country or cold? Neither too hot nor too cold. You can write this answer easily because we are talking about our country. What are the factors that affect the climate? Can you name them? Yes, you can name them with the help of the reading of chapter 2. Your next question, fill in the blanks. Again, your info and also the reading of chapter 2 help you to fill these blanks. Differentiate would you expect in food, dressing and living style of people living in cold and warm region. You can imagine in your mind The season in Pakistan we have like summer and winter. We change our food, dressing, and living style according to our season. Same like this, you can solve this question. In the end, stay blessed. I wish you all the very best. Take a very good care of yourself. Do your work in very neat form. Allah Hafiz.